I'm Mr. Ward, and I teach business classes, math classes, and computer science classes here at Gustine High School. We have partnered with Amazon Future Engineers and Project STEM to have Computer Science Python Fundamentals. Computer Science Python Fundamentals is classified as a math course. It counts as a third-year math course for the California State University system, and it's a fourth-year math course for the University of California system. If you have passed Math 1, you've met the math level that you need to, that you should be able to reach success in Computer Science Python Fundamentals. So even though it counts as a third or fourth year math course, if you want to do a math-heavy year, taking, say, Math 2 and Computer Science in the same year, sophomores are able to take this as well. So Mr. Ward, you might be thinking, what would I learn? We start off understanding number calculations and data. You figure out how to speak in a computer's language so that your instructions to a computer are clear, so that the computer, being only very good at what it does, but not good at interpretation or jumping to conclusions, that way it can understand you. We cover how to have decision-making happen in a computer program. If something happens, then we want this to happen. If something different happens, then we want some other thing to happen. We also cover repetition and loops. We've got for loops, while loops, all sorts of things. Why? Because humans are lazy, and why would you want to spend tons of time repeating yourself when you can set something up called a loop to make it go so much faster, because you just tell it how many times it happened, and then you're done. Amazon Future Engineers and Project STEM have also worked with a university in Georgia, which they have created a program called EarSketch. So at the end of the first semester, you're going to have to create a ringtone through coding. At the end of the second semester, you're going to create a whole song through your coding abilities in this program called EarSketch. The second semester also covers things like graphics. You're going to have to storyboard or map out a story, and then you're actually going to animate it. You're going to put in the code, and then your code is going to have shapes change, move on the screen. We do touch on the internet a bit at the end of the second semester, so we cover some HTML. We also look at how computer science impacts different careers that you may or may not be interested in. As a final bonus for this class, being that it's a partnership with Amazon Future Engineers, there is a scholarship opportunity for students who are seniors taking this course, or who have taken this course in a previous year. Amazon is willing to give $40,000 to help you with your college experience, and if you get this scholarship, you have a guaranteed internship with Amazon after your freshman year of college. Now you may be wondering, should I take a class with Mr. Ward? Well, I do want to point out the Gustine High School mission. It does say that we work to foster the whole student to achieve their fullest potential by setting high expectations. These aren't just words to me. I do expect you to do work in my class. I do believe I am an educator, and I'm here to educate you, to try and prepare you for whatever you choose to do in the future. If you're able to work and go along with me, be willing to try new experiences and go along with whatever class throws at you, I would say that you're going to find the class to be very informative and helpful and good preparation for your future.